it B-I-G. Big!
Today's sight word is big. Can you say it? Big. Great. Now let's spell it together. B-I-G. Big. Amazing. Big is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Big. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.